What is going on, YouTube fam? Steam from the Vargas team here again, and welcome back to another property tour episode. So recently it dawned on me that it seemed like just yesterday that you could stroll into Brickell and pick up a one-bedroom rental for around $2,000 per month with virtually zero pushback from the owner and without really getting into multiple offer scenarios. And although the Miami real estate market has cooled down, and to be honest, multiple offer scenarios are not what they used to be, don't be fooled by that. We're still a long ways off from seeing those prices ever again. So just how far off are we? Well, in today's video of a one bedroom, one bath at 1060 Brickell that I'm going to show you, my team recently rented this property for $3,300 per month. Brickell properties are still commanding high rental rates, if you could believe that or not. It's still a strong market. The property may be sitting on the market longer than it was at the beginning of the year, but they're still renting. To put this into perspective, the market would essentially need to drop around 40% to reach pre-pandemic levels. And to be honest, many experts, including myself, we just really don't see that happening or seeing these big price cuts in the near or distant future. The majority of us are expecting a correction, which is probably what we're seeing right now. Not probably, it is what we're seeing right now, with prices stabilizing in most markets and maybe some likelihood rather of incremental reductions scattered throughout the city. But in my opinion, it is unlikely that we're going to see any major price cuts or discounts in the 20 to 30% or plus mark like most people are hoping for. This is just not a real assumption based on the evidence that we have current in today's market and the amount of inventory versus the demand. But again, this is Miami real estate, and with all real estate, anything can happen. Let's dive into this one bedroom, one bath at 1060 Brickell condominium. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already and help me reach that 5K mark. Guys, we're so close. So if you could click that subscribe button, if you haven't done so already, that would help me out truly. And you can always support the channel by simply clicking that like button, as that helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. I'm eternally grateful for all of those of you who've supported me throughout this time. I appreciate that. And with that being said, let's roll into today's video. Enjoy. Thank you for making it this far. Remember that if you'd like to continue to see more Miami real estate property tour videos, you can always click on the playlist or any of the videos that are going to pop here on screen. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour and Miami real estate content. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. Take care and God bless.